So here's the step on how to add, import, and manage contacts inside your Zapify IOSAP account. So first, go to your contacts from the left sidebar. So here, there's the contact list. So if you want to add contact, you can add it manually. So click add contact. So you can fill in their details like name, phone, email, and contact type and time zone. So let's say for example, you can choose their contact type, can be lead or customer. So let's say for example, customer. Choose also their time zone. So next is click save. So as you can see here, we have the contact details. So if you want to import in book contact list, click import. So you can choose here the object you have to import, can be contacts, opportunities, or even companies. So let's say for contacts, click next. And here you can upload your files. So I have here an example. So if you want to import, upload the file that CSV file. So click next. So here's the details for the uploaded files. As you can see, there's different column with their information. So this column is you have to mapping. So let's say for example, here created. So let's choose time zone. And if you want to not import data from this column, check this checkbox and click next. So preferences, click create a smart list for new contacts created by the import. Here you can rename your smart list name for this book import. Say for example, book. Once it's done, check this confirm all contacts and start book import. So you can see import started. So now go to the contacts. So as you can see, here's all the contact list. So let's see the created import contact list. So here's the imported contact list. So if you want to find and manage existing contacts, you can use search bar or filters. So let's say for example, if you want to filter by their email, click apply. For example, or their contact type. So here, the filter one by their contact type. So that's all for how to add and import and manage contacts inside your Zapify IO sub account.